say?
Mayuresh Kohli, the brother of Virat Kohli, very famous in India.
Brother of Rohit Kohli. Ah, Rohit?
Virat Kohli.
Virat Kohli. Rohit Kohli.
Virat Kohli is the father.
Over into Montreal, Kanoma, Canada. Hey, can you meet here restaurant department at Tokan?
Canada.
Yeah, Canada. Tan kom kan tu mange. Ako hi photo nam chu. Pen thom dik lo mo ka ter ai thom dik de ang reng. Ni sa chuan an lum dewa. Hey, na hi ke ma anga nakal do na bowl tup tur hi nom ve ni ti ka sia a ai a chin chang shelo a chin chang kan shelo bang hi nya na po hi kan tho lo na cham pakhat ka sia chumo chumi wang chan nakina e ron ti chaze ka tum tan min lo subscribe ula chan tu dai chan o subscribe te ato phenga min clear sakte kha kadua chan yi the zo tu min nei de kha min lo zo she zo comment a khan lo da zero o let's talk about restaurant job. Yes, regarding your job, restaurant department
Is really.
Wait, okay.
Kakaria.
Don't die.
I'm not joking. I'm
Bad time on the ship
it's a
restaurant.
no, it's a friendly question only. Okay, from the very beginning. Let's start from the very beginning.
Yes.
How where did you work in India? Let's start from India. How do you start there?
Taj, Mumbai.
So how many experience do you have?
I have almost 3 years of experience.
All right.
It's very cool. I can't speak up my words.
Okay, let's try to find where there's a sun, so we can sit there.
No, we don't want to see.
Okay, me too. I don't want to sit. I just wanna walk around, roam
Hey,
around.
Indian girls.
Where?
My God. Hey, let's go. Video.
What Indian girls?
I'm happy. You changed my mood.
Oh my God.
He knows you?
Your mom.
See, you see Indian girls, and now you are different. Why do you wanna follow them?
I want to follow them. I want to stay here. Y'all can leave.
So you wanna jump ship over here
Yeah.
in Canada? You wanna stay here?
I want to stay with all of them.
See, they are all Indians.
All Indians. See Indian dress.
Yeah. Hey, Biden. Canada he settle all an yang hey. Di namdang he antam lu. Why do you go that side? That one is seaside only.
So, what's your plan?
Yes, let's go back and sit, use Wi-Fi, and then taka.
Let's
Yes.
take the picture with 3 of us over there.
Yeah, sure.
We'll give someone the phone to take the picture.
Don't give.
Hey, Canada ka naman. Kachanda pa nihi.
Chanda panda
Ka komang. Englo na chungcha nga ka komang. Chuan atop thangi min lo clear sak sham la. Chuan min lo la subscribe lo ta min lo subscribe la. Hey, cruise line na thom do vete. Ka inom ve me the in lo chang kai pui mer ta kin.
इधर खड़े रहेंगे फोटो निकालने बोल ना दे तेरा फोन किसी को दे
Tha kan han la lo ka nge hey.
अरे किसी को दे फोन
Okay.
Okay,
Let's start.
let's stop.
Can you tell me your
No, this guy
name
will not
and
talk.
position?
Utility restaurant. I work in Oceania Nautica Cruise.
And I'm a restaurant manager.
And what about in India?
In India, I work with my father as a fisherman. I go in my boat, catch
Okay.
the fish.
So how do you start working? From the very basic, no, from India.
In India, I start at after 12. I went in a Taj hotel in a restaurant as a contract base. I start my first journey over there. My
So
work.
what qualification do you need for utility?
Utility restaurant. We need at least 1.5 years of experience in a restaurant.
Is there any minimum age?
Yeah, 20. I think 21 plus.
So okay, is it hard to get a job in India?
Yeah, it's a hard, very hard.
Okay.
Basically,
Mm.
it's a hard, very hard. At least 1 year.
All right. Okay. What about which agency you applied before you came?
Rui Global in
Which one?
Near Mumbai. Near the
Mumbai.
Kurla. It's a
Kurla.
Rui
Okay.
Global.
I will put in the description. I mean video here. Okay.
Rui Global.
Rohi Global.
Yeah.
Yes. I heard
near the
that
Kurla.
already. Okay. So it is in Mumbai,
Yeah,
right?
it's in Mumbai.
Okay. So how do you take the interview? Is there any first interview and final interview like that?
Yeah, it's only the first interview. If you
Okay.
have lots of experience, they don't ask too much.
So you need experience from any hotel,
Any hotel, at least 1.5 years.
at least 1.5 years.
Yeah.
So you need a certificate
Yeah,
or
we need a certificate and the payslip of the months, so we can get fast joining and we can tell that we are still working.
yeah, we need a salary slip. Yeah,
Salary slip.
yeah, I got that one. Okay, so yeah, so from the day you gave your interview, like after how many months they call you on board?
After 4-5 months, because of my first US visa was also failed, and second attempt I passed. After that, they give me joining after 2 months. So I get at least 4 to 5 months. It was big.
That's pretty quick. Let's talk about the
Salary.
cruise line. No, cruise line first. Rishi,
Yes.
how do you apply on board? Yeah, in the cruise line.
Indirect or direct? I mean,
How do you direct
funny
cruise
answer?
line? Yeah, final. Okay.
Yeah.
Where do you apply?
I applied in
Which agency? I mean,
through Rohi.
Rohi.
Yeah, I
Okay,
applied
same
in
like
Rohi,
him. Okay. Then, okay. So your contract is for how many months?
My contract is like 8 months.
8 months.
Yeah, 8
Oh my God, you speak
8 to
very
7.
soft.
Yeah.
Are you
No,
shy?
I-
You will see yourself on YouTube.
because my friend Mayuri is very upset.
No, he's not upset. Okay. So you are working for 8 months. What about your vacation? 2 months?
Yeah, 2.5.
Okay. And about your salary, would you mind if I ask you? Is it good for
Yeah,
living?
it's okay.
Is
Yeah,
it-
I'm happy with my salary. But it's okay.
Oh, that's good. Yeah. Yeah, salary is lot so you don't know. No, I'm just saying about salary in my
Okay.
language. Yeah. Bộ in cho cần tin nhỉ nè lúc tụi cái anh trong nhỉ nè
Why
cái lâu thì no nothing I'm just saying something
Don't laugh.
na kina chada win hi a thal law ni jang ka kom thale ang that de win hi odi ote kala nei la wathil kha ala beng cheng da mai the ni chumo chan o an mani hi kitchen no kitchen
No, not kitchen.
a kitchen is a different department.
Yeah.
Oh, but under utility.
Yeah.
So you are restaurant
not on the
department.
utility.
So
On
what are the position are there in utility? Like you, how do you start?
My position is the basic position.
Oh, basic position. How do you? What is the position? How do you
Utility
start
restaurant.
utility? Yeah, restaurant.
I came as a utility restaurant and still I am a utility restaurant. So I don't think I'll get a promotion.
Don't think positive. I hate that, negative thing. Speak louder so that they can hear
the
you.
phone is
Yes, my phone doesn't hear you, can't hear you. Let's see. Oh, tu na mi chu hei a bul chen chawani chu. Chuan na ching khan a thiam pa ha ka zot a ma se ama hi engtin nge a tho dang ha kan na zot lo ngaro kan zot le chia lo ka nge let le de yang India a tho dang ka. Okay, I want to know from the very basic.
Yeah.
How do you start working? I'm talking about India. Okay,
India.
India, yeah.
Yeah, I worked in Taj.
Touch.
Yeah,
Mumbai?
yeah, Mumbai Taj
Wow.
for 2-3 years.
2-3 years?
Yeah.
Oh, a lot of
Then-
experience.
And I went to Goa. I started working in Mahindra.
Mahindra?
Yeah.
Where? Varka.
Yeah, you know.
Oh yes, that's my previous company. Yeah, I know that. But a long time.
Yeah, long time.
When you were a child. So okay.
I'm still a child.
So how's the work? Is it
Yeah.
better here or in India? Which one is better? Which one you prefer to work? On board or India?
I like on board because we get more salary on board.
Yes,
Yeah,
of course.
we don't get that much of salary.
And the work is tough. How many hours you working in India?
Yeah, 8 hours.
Ka phone storage hi a full man to ka do angin hay ka delete ti kan kanal chu chom ne se ni chu akim to khat chon ka sha ma se la kim lo te ni chon ka lo zo thale ang ka ron upload thale mai don ya tu na tan chon du tok photang. Okay, let's finish for now, and then if it is not okay, then we can continue on the other day next time. Okay, bye for now. Bye.
Bye-bye.
See you.
See you.
And make
See you
sure
later.
subscribe,
Later.
like. You have to follow me. Yeah, I will tell you my thing. Say bye.
Bye.
This one, Mayuresh Kohli, brother of Virat Kohli.
Yes. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Let's rock to Miami.